actually like this. You know that on 8th of December 2022, the president came
Senator
to Kakamega.
Boni, can you be very specific on your question?
Mr. Speaker, sir, because he was casual.
Now the history of the voting and what happened.
Yeah, I've left out history of
Just
voting.
go specific.
Your indulgence.
What you need to be addressed.
Mr. Speaker, your indulgence, please. If I don't do this, I'll lose this House, I'll lose the public. Mr. Speaker, on 8th of December 2022, the president came into Kakamega and launched this project, and alongside it, commercial aircrafts, which have been ongoing. He came again, Mr. Speaker, on 18th of June this year, and announced the construction of an apron at 50 million shillings. The minister knows. And lastly, Mr. Speaker, on 25th of August, the president stayed in the county for 5 days, and this was the project. So I was expecting the minister was coming here to tell us only two things. When is the payment for residents going to commence? Because from that time last year, they stopped doing end development. They know they are moving out. And two, to tell us when is the construction starting. That is called, Mr. Speaker, Mr. Speaker, sir.
Pertinent questions, and I think they are very indirect.
Yes, Mr. Speaker. Yes. Mr. Speaker, I feel extremely offended that this is how we are treating the public that gives us the same money that we use to develop projects.
You wait for the answer, Senator Mboni, and then you can maybe react later on.
The Speaker, Mr. Speaker,